long should your furnace last? Well, this day and age, let's face it, they don't make equipment like they used to back in the day. They're not made out of cast iron anymore, and they're not meant to last 60 years. I would think a safe statistic would be they should certainly run almost seamlessly for up to 12 years. I think if you have a 15 to 16-year-old furnace, you're probably you should be considering replacing it, because again, nothing lasts forever, and with the technology and the parts that are in it these days, you're on borrowed time after 15 years would be my opinion.